Before you buy an SUV, you seriously need to watch this video till the end. Because the truth is, the SUV market looks exciting, but it's also full of traps. SUVs today are bigger, more powerful, and more luxurious than ever before. But behind that aggressive design and premium interior, many of them hide problems that most buyers don't notice during a short test drive. And that's where people make costly mistakes. They focus on looks, brand name, or features, but ignore long-term reliability, maintenance cost, and real-world performance. In this video, we're going to break down major SUVs and the biggest mistakes people make while buying them, so you don't end up wasting your money. And trust me, if you skip this information, you could regret your purchase for years. Range Rover Evoque. The Range Rover Evoque is one of the best-looking compact luxury SUVs on the road. Its design is sharp, modern, and instantly gives off a premium vibe. Many buyers fall in love with it the moment they see it. But here's the mistake, buying it only for its looks. Because behind that beautiful exterior, this SUV has a reputation for expensive maintenance and reliability concerns. Owners have reported issues with electronics, infotainment glitches, and costly repairs after a few years. Parts are expensive, and servicing isn't cheap either. So while it may feel like you're buying a luxury experience, you could end up paying far more than expected just to keep it running. The lesson here is simple. Never choose an SUV just because it looks expensive. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer is a popular family SUV known for its space, comfort, and strong road presence. On paper, it looks like a perfect all-rounder. But the mistake buyers make here is ignoring the total ownership cost. This SUV can be affordable up front compared to some competitors, but over time, expenses start adding up. Fuel consumption is higher than expected, especially in city driving. Maintenance costs can increase as the vehicle ages, and insurance premiums are also on the higher side. Some model years have also faced transmission-related complaints. So while it feels like a smart purchase initially, many owners later realize that it's not as budget-friendly as they thought. Always calculate long-term costs before making your decision. BMW X6. The BMW X6 is a sporty, stylish SUV that combines performance with luxury. It's powerful, fast, and definitely grabs attention on the road. But here's the mistake. Buying performance without thinking about practicality. The sloping coupe-style design reduces rear headroom and cargo space, making it less practical for families. On top of that, maintenance and repair costs are significantly higher compared to non-luxury SUVs. Tires wear out faster, servicing is expensive, and even small repairs can cost a lot. Many buyers get attracted to its aggressive styling and performance, but later regret the lack of practicality and high ownership costs. This SUV proves that not every stylish vehicle is a smart daily choice. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is known for its off-road capability and rugged appeal. It feels strong, capable, and adventurous. But the mistake here is assuming that toughness equals reliability. While it performs well off-road, some model years have had issues with electronics, transmission, and build quality. Owners have reported unexpected repairs and inconsistent reliability over time. Maintenance can also be costly, especially if problems start appearing after warranty ends. Many buyers choose it for its brand image and off-road capability, but end up using it mostly in the city, where its strengths don't really matter. Always match the SUV to your actual usage, not just its image. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is famous for its durability and long-term reliability. It's built like a tank and can last for years with proper maintenance. But even here, buyers make a mistake, ignoring comfort and modern features. Compared to newer SUVs, the interior feels outdated, fuel efficiency is poor, and ride quality isn't as smooth on regular roads. It's designed for off-road performance, not city comfort. So if you're planning to use it as a daily urban SUV, you might feel disappointed. This shows that even reliable SUVs aren't perfect. You need to choose based on your lifestyle. Mercedes-Benz GLE. The Mercedes-Benz GLE is all about luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. It offers a premium driving experience and a high-end interior. But the biggest mistake here is buying a luxury SUV without understanding long-term costs. Once the warranty expires, maintenance and repair costs can be extremely high. Advanced tech features can also become expensive to fix if something goes wrong. Depreciation is another factor. Luxury SUVs lose value faster than expected. Many buyers stretch their budget to own a luxury badge, but later struggle with the ongoing expenses. Luxury should never come at the cost of financial stress. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is a practical and fuel-efficient compact SUV, popular among budget-conscious buyers. But the mistake here is ignoring long-term mechanical concerns. Some older models have had issues with CVT transmissions, which can be expensive to repair or replace. While it offers good mileage and comfort, reliability concerns in certain versions have affected its reputation. Buyers often focus on affordability and features, but skip researching common problems. Always check long-term reliability reports before choosing a budget SUV. At the end of the day, buying an SUV is a big investment, and one wrong decision can cost you thousands. The biggest mistakes people make are focusing on looks, ignoring long-term costs, choosing the wrong engine, and trusting brand names blindly. Every SUV we discussed today proves one thing: no vehicle is perfect. The key is choosing the one that fits your needs, your budget, and your lifestyle. Take your time, do your research, and never rush into a purchase just because something looks good in the showroom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which SUV you're planning to buy next. And remember, don't buy an SUV until you fully understand what you're getting into.